Hi everybody, welcome to the Mineral Density Lab. I'm going to give you some instructions so you know exactly what to do. First, you start out by looking at your lab sheet. The problem we're addressing today is which of these minerals is the densest. And the reason we want to know that is because density is one of the ways we can identify minerals. You need to write a hypothesis. This is an educated guess. It's an if-then statement. My hypothesis might be something like, if I test the density of these minerals, then I will be able to identify them. If you have a different idea or a different educated guess, you're welcome to use it. It has to be an if-then statement. I'm going to have some supplies. I'm going to show you the procedure, and you're going to record your information on the data table. Before we get going, I'll give you a tour. We've got a beaker with water in it. We've got an overflow can, which is just a can with a spout. We have a container to catch water, we have a graduated cylinder, and we have our mineral. Okay, so what we do, you take the beaker full of water and you pour it, before we do that, you have to catch the water. You pour water into the overflow can until it starts coming out the spout. And then you just wait. And you just wait for the water to stop coming out the spout. And it'll drip for a little while, and just be patient. You have to just wait for the last drips to come out. Is it going to get one more drip? I think so. Here it comes. Okay. Now this water we don't need, so we're going to pour it back into the beaker and replace the cup. Now we're going to find the density of our mineral, the volume first. The volume of the mineral will displace the same amount of water, so we gently put the mineral into the water without splashing any out, and water starts coming out the overflow spout. And we just wait again for the water to stop. The volume of the water in the cup will equal the same volume that the mineral is taking up inside the can. And again, we just wait for it to stop dripping. It's very exciting, I know. You just have to be patient. Alright, it looks like we're finished. Now we take this water, this is the same amount of milliliters that the mineral is taking up inside there. We're going to gently pour it into the graduated cylinder. Don't spill any drops. Try to get all the water out. And then we measure the graduated cylinder. And you measure it from the bottom of the meniscus. So you have to get even with it. You notice the number of milliliters, and then you record it on your data sheet. You're going to do this 3 times for each mineral, and then you're going to find the average, and then you'll calculate your density by doing mass divided by volume, using your average volume for that. When you're finished, you're going to graph your data. There's instructions here, graph paper in the front of the room. Make sure you do a really nice job, and then you'll answer the questions on the back. Make sure that you write a good conclusion about what happened in your lab today. You need to give results about what happened, and then some information about your hypothesis. So my hypothesis was correct because, my hypothesis was incorrect because. You guys are going to have a lot of fun today. This is a great lab, and I hope you learn how to identify minerals by finding their density.